Never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, check my repertoire, don't check me not. Unless the checks involved, I've been feeling like I'm next to God. Next to God, next to God. Never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, don't check me not. Unless the checks involved, I've been feeling like I'm next to God. Next to God, next to God. Never fold, never ever fold, never ever stone a rolling stone till I'm in Rolling Stone. Bet I'm close to gold, need a place, need a safer bank. I've been saving change, I need some space. Chatting in my face, get from around my way. Ay, what you saying, where you at now? I swear that once I leave my city, never coming back down. Wait from pushing tapes to glowing up around the map now. Real hot summer, keep my cool, I never act out. Ay, yes indeed, recognize what you want, may not be what you need. Won't take control of me, but I got mouths to feed. Hustle smart now, hard to still get it by any means. Please, never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, check my repertoire.
Good morning, my people. Yeah, look at that, bald. And I hope you're having a great day. It's been kind of a hard day for me, you know. It's my mother's birthday. It's a little over a year she passed. But I wanted to get on here and I want to talk to my people, because you guys always hit me up with questions and you're always asking questions, and I like to answer your questions, right? So here it is. This is the real, man. Like, people are asking me, like, how do we deal with people? And I love it because I go to church and I see my pastor, and it's like I have this question in my mind, but I don't even have to say it because he delivers it. And you know, and it's about loving thy neighbor. It truly, genuinely is. And I posted a meme on my Instagram the other day about you should love everybody. And when the question was, should we even love our neighbor if their skin color is different? And the response was yes, even if they ask stupid questions. Love them. So that's where I am in my life. I love everybody. I genuinely do. Now I understand, like, you know, God's, to me, is front and center, so I give my problems to God. And so when I have problems with people, I give it to God. And, you know, there's a true saying about not letting the bad fruit into your life, because it can contaminate your life. But remember also, too, that, you know, bad fruit will fall from the tree and will rot all by itself. There's nothing you have to do. So, with all that being said, I love everybody. I genuinely do. I mean, there's some people I wouldn't piss in their mouth if their guts were on fire to save them, but, you know, I'm not out to save people. I'm not a savior. I'm not here to save you. You need to save yourself. Believe it yourself and save yourself. I'm just the messenger. I'm just here with a message to tell you he's real. And what I believe. Genuinely, I can name many situations, scenarios that bring me to my faith, and so that's where I'm at, right? We believe what we believe for the certain things in life we experience. Alright guys, it's enough of that. Y'all have a great day. Believe what you want. I'm just here to tell you it's what I believe in.